More agents do not automatically produce better software. Without authority boundaries, parallel coding can multiply conflicts, context drift, and self-approved completion. Wide-lens engineering is an opt-in Codex Skill and verification toolkit for implementation, debugging, refactoring, migrations, architecture, and review. Each request fixes an intent and 3 independent axes, while execution remains a derive policy. Simple work stays main only. The team expands only when another agent adds real information. Before dispatch, the main model records what the host can actually enforce. Unknown capabilities are false. From that evidence, it builds an acyclic task DAG whose child scope can only narrow the parent contract. Tasks are not agents. One agent may execute several ready nodes, and the skill never fixes a team size. The DAG can choose main-only, read-only proposals, or isolated candidates. Analysis workers remain read-only. Candidate workers may edit only a host-proven disposable workspace, never the canonical checkout. The main integrator rechecks every changed path and reruns frozen acceptance. Shared analysis starts sealed, then challenges peers. Messages are evidence, never authority. Overlapping candidate rights are serialized or rejected, never merged. Last writer wins. For high-risk delivery, Assured Protocol v5 binds the frozen contract, orchestration envelope, controller leases, candidate bundles, execution receipts, and final state. If the controller, sandbox, digest channel, or independent verifier is missing, the assured claim fails closed. The repository provides the protocol and reference gates. It does not pretend to provide that external infrastructure. GPT-5.6 Sol and Codex drove the redesign. Protocol v5, Python gates, plugin packaging, adversarial tests, cross-platform CI, and terminal delivery. The key decisions were opt-in invocation, dynamic agent count, one canonical writer, and a hard line between practical evidence and external assurance. On this release, 7 counted gates passed 736 of 736 cases, with 0 platform skips. The frozen 150 task benchmark gives a one-sided 95% lower bound of 98.02% for that protocol benchmark, not universal coding accuracy or an independent security audit. Local performance gate preserves the frozen v4 digest and shortens the critical path for a decomposable kernel. It excludes model latency and token cost. Install the public MIT preview, invoke $widelens engineering, and let risk, capability, and evidence decide how far the team expands. The model proposes the DAG, the controller leases authority, scoped candidates return, one integrator writes canonical state, the verifier decides completion.